How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just go to settings, and now go to apps, type here Minecraft, click on it and click advanced options. Now scroll down until you find here scroll down until you find here reset, and now once you're here just click repair, and now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, click reset, and that's it, your problem must be fixed, but you will lose your data, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.